Hey, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about lesson 2.5, which is going to be subtracting with 3 digits. And there may be some regrouping. So I'm going to practice now. And you could always use these tools as well. So I'm going to kind of go through where you find these tools as well as how to do the math for today. So in Google Classroom, and this is for both classes, you're going to go to Resources. And you'll click on the material that I've posted. All right, I'm going to switch to the one that we are on right now. Okay, so we are recording this tab. So I just went from Google Classroom to the resources page, and then I'm going to hit Envision's tools. Now I talked about this in class as well. So I'm going to click on Envision's tools. I am then going to click on that. I'm going to switch what I'm looking at. So 1 second. Okay, so now this was the what I went to after I went from the Savvis Realize page. Okay, then I'm going to click on Place Value Blocks, and I'm going to make it Place Value Blocks. And I will change over to this tab, and then we should be good to go. All right, so that is how you get to what I have right here. Okay, so let me see if I can use my tools. So I'm going to put, now we worked on these the other day. So, and this is good. This is why I kind of want to show you how to get here, because you can use these as well when you are working with place value. So let's see, I'm gonna do number, and then we will add in however many I want right now. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. We'll go one more 700s. Let's add in 1. Oops, it's not going. 2, 3 10s, and 6 1s. Let me see if I can. Okay, so I just did it out for us. Now, if I have, I'm going to use my tool here. So I'm talking my hundreds. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds. 1, 2, 3 10s. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. Okay. Now, hold on. Okay, and then I have this number, 200s. Let's see if I can get it right underneath each other. 1 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Okay, and if I was going to subtract this problem, we always start in our ones place. I have 6 minus 9. If I have 6 things here, can I get 9? 6 minus 9. I cannot. So what I have to do is regroup. And what it would look like in a picture would be my tool here. I would break 1 10 or regroup. So now that 10 here that was a long regrouped to 10 ones. So that's 10 plus the 6, that now becomes 16. And this 3 now became, we had 2 10s. I'm just going to have to write it right over our 100. So now we can subtract 16 minus 9. Okay, so we said 16 minus 9. There's different ways that we can do it. We can count up if we start at 9 and count up until we get 16. We can count back from 16. So if you count back from 16, it'd be 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So I would get 7. Or you can count up 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and you'd get to 7. Okay, then 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. So our answer would be 517 would be our sum. Let's try one more. Last one. All right, let's try this last one. So we have 3 hundreds, 2 tens worth 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So 325. If I was going to subtract, I have 2 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 3 ones. So we still are subtracting. We are still starting out in our ones place. So 5 minus 3, can I do it? You always have to think, can I do it? If I have 5 things, can I take 3 away? Yes, I would get 2. Now I'm going to my tens. 2 minus 4. If I have 2 things, can I take away or can I give someone 4 things? I can't. So we're going to have to regroup. We're going to have to go into our next place value, our hundreds. And if we take a look, here is my hammer. I'm going to break 100. And we know that 10 tens is equal to 100. So I just regrouped that 100 into 10 tens plus these 2 tens, which would now give me 12 tens. And then I'm left with 1 200s. And that's where we get that from. So now I can subtract 12 minus 4. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So I have 8. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. So our difference, our answer to our subtraction problem is just 82. Okay. Tomorrow we'll be working more with subtracting larger numbers. See you tomorrow.